Welcome to Coastal 101. I'm John Kelly. Nothing says America quite like the perfect steak on an outdoor grill. And with us today is Chef Matt Bennett of Sybaris Bistro in Albany, Oregon, who's going to show us how to cook a ribeye on two different types of grill. Matt, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, John.
Okay, I have to tell you that this is my favorite cut of meat. But I should ask, why ribeye?
Why ribeye? You've got a fantastic beefiness, but you also have a tenderness, and usually it's a trade-off. Like on a New York, you have a great flavor, a little bit chewier. Something like a tenderloin, fantastic tenderness, a little bit less beefiness.
What's the first thing we should know about cooking a perfect steak?
Season it up to a day ahead, really hot sear, and then after it's done, to your liking, whatever that might be, a long rest. And that's the big critical, is the rest.
Okay, so what exactly is resting?
Resting settles down all the juices.
Okay.
And when you slice in, it'll make it much, much more tender. Doesn't matter the level of cooking, resting helps to make it more tender.
Okay, well now that we got that done, let's head over to the gas grill, shall we?
Sounds good.
Here we have the Napoleon Rogue gas grill with infrared burners that are designed for searing. So what's the first step with a grill like this, Matt?
So preheat the grill, get it nice and ripping hot. Now we're gonna take our steak, and I don't know about you, but I love the crispy fat on the edge.
Oh yes.
So to get that, you start it there.
Typically, how long do you let that cook?
Oh, about a minute. If your grill's really ripping hot, then we're gonna roll it.
How long for each side are you gonna let it sear?
I like mine on the medium rare side of life, so I'll go probably 5 minutes on
Okay.
that side.
Okay, so here we have the Kamado Joe charcoal grill. And this has the ability for temperatures between 200 and 700 degrees, which is enough for searing, right?
Correct.
Okay, so I'm gonna let you take over here
Sure.
and walk us through this a little bit.
So we're at about 600 right now, which will give you a really intense sear. This
Okay.
is that steakhouse.
Okay.
Now you're in steakhouse territory.
Okay.
So we're gonna pick our most steakhousey steak,
Right.
throw that fat boy on there. Again, same thing, up on
Right.
the edge. Now on this grill, this one's gonna go a little bit faster, and we do have to be really aware of potential for flare up.
Oh, okay. Is that due to the fat or what?
That's the fat dripping into the
Okay.
coal. Yeah.
Okay. So because this is cooking at a little bit hotter temperature, I assume you don't keep it on the sides as long as you do on the gas grill.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Your Northwest owned and operated Coastal carries a full line of outdoor grills, including Traeger, Green Mountain, Napoleon, and Kamado Joe, along with chips, pellets, rubs, sauces, and charcoal to make your next meal a masterpiece. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.